This is the demonstration for project 1 of CPE 329. So this project here basically is an electric lock that opens when you type in the correct password. So right now I typed in the wrong password. So as you can see, it doesn't open the lock. The correct password is 777. That's the password I have programmed my microcontroller to and if I type in the incorrect password, as you can see, it will not open. Now I'm going to type in the correct password. But before I do that, I want to show you guys another feature here. If I press the asterisk key or symbol, it will delete the screen and restart the whole password screen. Now I will enter the correct password. Hello world unlocked, and my lock will open. Ta-da!